and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I am going to be upcycling this very heavy candelabra that I had picked up for $4 over at a thrift store and out of their garden center. They actually had a beautiful garden center this year. But I'm not too crazy about black. It doesn't necessarily go very well with a lot of the decor that I have. Maybe one day I will enjoy this, but as you can see, it has a lot of wear and tear. So I thought I painted a different color just to kind of go more with my style. And I already have two candelabras that are smaller, that this would look really well as a group with those two other ones, or on its own. So I will be painting with my favorite chalk paint, any Sloan Cocoa, and then I'm going to be using white wax to soften it up. I also want to mention that this video is part of a collaboration, open invitation, open invite, hosted by Jamie from over at Board or Bananas. So make sure you check out her channel as well as the playlist that's linked down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to remove this sticker and just give it a good wipe down. I don't see anything sticky on it, so I don't think I need to sand anything down. I love this color. I'm gonna try and give it a little wipe down. I really like that look, so I'm going to continue that. Now I'm just going to go with whatever's left on here and just brush it over to give it a bit more dimension again, so I'm not dipping in, just almost like giving it a dry brush. And because you wiped off the paint, you can do this almost right away. And if your paintbrush ends up being too dry, not enough paint, you can always dip a little and wipe off most of it on a rag, and just do that. You just want to make sure that you don't have much paint on it whatsoever. So I love the way this looks now. I'm actually contemplating whether I should just leave it this way and not even add the white wax. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna really think about whether I'm gonna do anything more to it. Okay, so it's dry, and I just tried it over here on top with just a touch of white wax, and I do like the way it looks, so I will be adding it, but you could totally just leave it this way as well. And I'm just dipping it very lightly. And then I want it to be lumpy, so I'm just gonna spread it on a rag. I like it because it kind of goes into the little holes that are there. Love that it's almost giving it like a concrete look. As you can see, I am going a little bit heavier. I think this is perfect, and I will show you how it looks in my decor. And I can't wait to use it for fall. So here it is. Just trying to get close enough for you to see all the details with the white wax and the little holes that it kind of went into. Totally turned out looking so concrete, I think. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little zhuzhing of this candelabra. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing. And if you did not know, I also have two other channels that I have recently separated from this main one. One is a home, so Domestic Diva Home, where I share all of the DIYs that I create and how I use them in my home, and I also do a lot of cleaning. And I also have a cooking channel because I do love cooking and I love sharing all the recipes and meal ideas with you. So if any of those channels interest you, make sure you check them out. The link is down below. And if you love, well, like I said, what you saw in this video, I would love it if you considered subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. Don't forget to check out Jamie's channel as well as the playlist that's linked down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.